Today, I'm going to show you 3 Google AI updates that just dropped, and they are insane. We're talking about tools that let you see everything your AI does with one click. We're talking about building entire marketing campaigns in minutes with zero design skills. And we're talking about creating working apps without writing a single line of code. This is not theory, this is stuff you can use right now. And if you're building any kind of business, these updates became your unfair advantage. It's called Logs and Datasets for AI developers. This is brand new. It launched October 30th, 2025, one click, and you can see everything your AI does. You can track every input, every output, every API call, and export it all as data. Google launched a new feature in AI Studio called Logs and Datasets, and it solves a massive problem. When you build AI apps, you're basically flying blind. Your chatbot gives weird answers, your AI assistant messes up, and you have no idea why. You can't track the inputs, you can't see the outputs. It's just a black box, and that's been killing developers. But now, everything changes. So, what exactly is this new feature? It's simple. You go into Google AI Studio, you click one button, it says enable logging. That's it. Now, every single API call gets tracked. Every time your app talks to Gemini, every generate content call, you don't need to change any code. You don't need to add tracking. You don't need to set up infrastructure. It works automatically from your dashboard. And what does it capture? Everything. It captures your inputs, what you sent to the AI. It captures your outputs, what the AI sent back. It captures which API tools used. It captures success. You can find the exact interaction, the exact moment things went wrong. You can export all this data as CSV files, as JSON-L files, whatever you need. You can do offline evaluation. You can analyze patterns. You can refine your prompts. Completely free. In all supported regions, if you're building AI apps, users complain. You have no idea what happened. With logging, you can find patterns. You can debug faster. You find the bad input. You see the weird output. You fix the prompt. Done. You test the new prompt offline. You deploy, problem solved, all in one day. So how do you actually use this? Step 1, log into Google AI Studio. Step 2, select your project. Make sure it's billing enabled. Step 3, click enable login. That's it. Now you're tracking everything. Step 4, check your logs table. You'll see inputs, outputs, statuses, timestamps, everything in one place. Step 5, filter and search. Look for failures, look for specific inputs. Find what you need fast. Step 6, export your data. Choose the logs you want. Export as CSV or JSON-L. Step 7, analyze offline. Use the data to improve your prompts, run batch evaluations, track quality over time. You can share specific data sets with Google. You prevent it from happening again. Your product gets better every single day because you're learning from real data. With proper login, you catch issues early, you fix them fast, you improve continuously. And that's the difference between a failed AI product and a successful one. This works in all regions where Gemini API is available. So if you're using Google AI Studio, you can use this right now, today. No waiting, no beta access needed. Just enable it and start tracking. It's completely free. So let's recap what we covered. Google AI Studio launched Logs and Datasets on October 30th, 2025. It's a one-click logging system. It tracks all your API calls, inputs, outputs, statuses, everything. You can export data as CSV or JSON-L. It's free in all supported regions. No code changes needed. And it works right now. This is a game changer for anyone building AI products. You get visibility, you get control, you get data, and data is power. If you're serious about building with AI, enable this today. Go to Google AI Studio, click that button, start tracking, and watch how much faster you can move, how much better your products get. Enjoy my AI Profit Boardroom to learn how to scale your business with AI. Get more customers, save hundreds of hours with automation. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a working app in minutes without writing code. Google just dropped something crazy. It's called Vibe Coding in AI Studio. You type what you want and boom, it builds it. This is not a toy. This is production level stuff. And I'm talking real apps that work right now. No coding skills needed, no developer required. Just you and your ideas. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Google AI Studio launched Vibe Coding. You can go from a single sentence to a working web app in minutes. Vibe coding is simple. You describe what you want in plain English. The AI builds it. No code, no templates, no figuring out frameworks. You talk to it like you're talking to a developer. Now you can type something like, build me a photo mood board where users upload images and get color palettes, and it actually builds it. The system wires everything together automatically. The UI, the logic, the multimodal features, all of it Google just dropped major updates to vibe coding in AI Studio, the prompt to app workflow. You type one sentence, it generates a working prototype. The AI figures out what you need, what functionality to add, and how to connect it all. Second, they added an app gallery. This is a visual library of starter projects. You can browse, see what's possible, and remix any of them. Third, annotation mode. You can highlight any part of your app and tell the system to change it, like make this button blue or add animation here. Fourth, the brainstorming loading screen. While your app builds, it suggests ideas. So you're not just waiting, you're getting smarter about what to build next. Fifth, seamless deployment. Once you're happy with your prototype, you can deploy it to Google, export it, or share a live link. It's production ready if you want it to be. And the last big thing, lower barrier to entry. Non-coders can build, but if you're a developer, you can still dig into the code and edit it manually. You go to Google AI Studio, you click into vibe coding mode, then you describe your app. Let's say you type build a travel itinerary generator, user enters destination and dates, show a list of places to visit, hit enter. The AI starts building. It creates the UI input fields, date pickers, a submit button, a results area, all of it. Now, here's where annotation mode comes in. You see that submit button? You don't like the color. So you highlight it and say, change this button to green and add a drop shadow. Boom, done. No CSS, no hunting through code, just point and describe. You can keep iterating, add features, change layouts, tweak animations, all through conversation. When you're done, you can review the code, export it, or deploy it live. The model wired up everything automatically. UI plus logic plus any generative features you asked for, and you didn't write a single line of boilerplate. This is what I mean when I say it's insane. The speed is unreal. Here's how to get the most out of it. First, be clear with your prompts. Tell it what you want, describe the UI, explain the behavior, build me a recipe finder with a search bar, filter by diet type, and show results in a grid. Iterate with prompts. Don't try to get everything perfect on the first try. Build something basic, then use annotation mode to refine it, export and review the code. Even if you're not a developer, glance at it, make sure the logic makes sense. Think of this as a prototyping tool. It's incredible for MVPs, for hackathons, for testing ideas. But if you're building a massive enterprise system, you'll still need proper dev controls. First, generated code works fast, but might have issues. Debugging can get messy. So if you're going to production, review everything. Second, the AI can misinterpret your prompts. You still need to check the logic, make sure it's doing what you actually want. Third, some functionality needs your own API keys or paid tiers. This is optimized for web apps and prototypes. If you're trying to build something huge with a complex backend, you might outgrow what vibe coding can handle. Use this tool for what it's great at: fast prototyping, quick validation, not replacing your entire engineering team on day one. So, what does this mean for you specifically? If you're a creator, you can now build interactive tools without a developer. If you're a developer, you skip the boring stuff, jump straight to the logic, to the UI, to the iteration. This means faster validation. You can test 10 ideas in the time it used to take to build one. Launch MVPs, get feedback, pivot fast. That's a competitive edge. The barrier to building software just dropped way down. Anyone with an idea can now build something real. The point is, this tech unlocks ideas that used to be stuck in your head because you didn't have time or money to build them. Now you do. Today, I'm going to show you how Google just dropped an AI tool that builds entire marketing campaigns in minutes, no designer needed, no agency fees, just you and AI. This is Pelli from Google Labs and DeepMind, and it's about to change how you do marketing forever. How much time do you waste on marketing content, social media posts, campaign visuals, brand assets? If you don't have a designer on your rather paying someone hundreds of dollars, or you're stuck using basic templates that look like everyone else's content. Google Labs teamed up with DeepMind to create Pelli. This is an AI marketing tool built specifically for small and medium businesses. Anyone can use it: creators, agencies, solo entrepreneurs. If you need marketing content, this tool is for you. In public beta right now. That means you can start using it today if you're in the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand. It only works in English for now, but this is just the beginning. So, what exactly does Pelli do? It creates on brand social media campaigns, assets, visuals, and copy in 3 simple steps. Step 1, it builds your business DNA by scanning your website and visual identity. Step 2, it generates tailored campaign ideas based on your brand. Step 3, it creates editable, high quality branded assets that you can download and use immediately. This is Google and DeepMind working together. The first step is business DNA. You give Pelli your. The AI scans your entire site and extracts your brand colors, your fonts, your tone of voice, visual identity, everything that makes your brand unique. Consistency is marketing. When your brand looks the same across every platform, people remember you, they trust you, they buy from you. Once your business DNA is built, you move to step 2. Campaign ideas, it suggests campaign ideas based on your brand and your industry. You can also prompt your own ideas. Pelli generates campaign concepts tailored to your brand. Step 3 is creating the actual assets. Pelli takes your campaign idea and generates images, copy, and social media posts that match your brand perfectly. You can edit everything inside the tool, download it, and use it wherever you want. You get professional quality marketing assets in minutes. This is a massive opportunity. If you're a creator, an agency owner, or a freelancer, Pelli's your secret weapon. Now you can add campaign creation to your services without hiring a designer. You input the client's website into Pelli, you generate the campaign, you deliver the assets, done. And if you're a solo entrepreneur building your own brand, Pelli saves you thousands of dollars. You don't need to hire a designer. You don't need to pay for expensive tools. You just need Pelli. Pros and cons. This tool is fast. You can generate a full campaign in minutes. Second, brand consistency. Everything Pelli creates matches your brand identity. Third is low budget. You don't need to hire a designer. You don't need expensive software. You just need Pelli. Fourth is in public beta right now, which means you can test it for free. The cons, it's still experimental. Second, it's only available in English and only in certain countries. Third, the brand identity modeling depends on your website. If your website is a mess, Pelli might extract the wrong tone or visuals. Best practice advice. First, keep your website brand assets clean. Second, input clear prompts. Third, always tweak the output. Pelli is an assistant, not a replacement. You can use Pelli for client work. A client comes to you and says they need a campaign for a product launch. You spend 10 minutes in Pelli generating the assets. You deliver it to the client. They love it. Pelli is just the beginning. Google and DeepMind are investing heavily in AI tools. In the next few years, AI is going to automate most of the repetitive tasks in marketing, content creation, campaign planning, asset generation, all of it. Pelli is still in beta. That means it's going to have bugs. It's going to make mistakes. Don't rely on it 100%. Always review the output. Second, it's limited to certain countries. Third, the quality of the output depends on the quality of your input. If your website is messy, Pelli will generate messy results. Pelli is free right now because it's in beta, but Google is not going to keep it free forever. Take advantage of the free access while you can. That way, when they start charging, you'll already know if it's worth the investment. Pelli is different. It's backed by Google and DeepMind. It's solving a real problem. Pelli is not just for big campaigns. You can use it for small stuff too. Need a quick Instagram post? Use Pelli. Need a Facebook ad? Use Pelli. Need a graphic for a blog post? Use Pelli. It's fast enough that you can use it for everyday tasks, not just major campaigns. This is how you stay consistent with your marketing. Consistency is what builds brands. Consistency is what gets results, and Pelli makes consistency easy. Pelli is a game changer. It's fast, it's powerful, it's free right now, and it's going to save you time and money. Here's what you need to do. Go sign up for Pelli, test it out, see what it can do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.